Alright, let's go in 5 and below.
Yeah! That case.
Fine today.
Welcome to the Cool Clubhouse. Welcome to the Cool Clubhouse. Welcome to the Chef Clubhouse. Welcome to the Kim Clubhouse. Welcome to the Kim Clubhouse. Welcome to the Kim Clubhouse.
Cut!
Welcome to the Kim Clubhouse.
What's up, guys? We back with another video. Today is a Monday and I'm waiting to pick the babies up from the bus stop, and today I think I'm gonna surprise them with something so cool to do. So when I was fixing up the baby's room, I had brought these kites and I was putting them together, and they were like, oh, we're gonna go fly kites. And I was like, no, it's just for decorations. So what I was thinking today is going to buy some kites, putting them together, and we go fly the kites at the park or the beach and just see how it goes. Because honestly, when I was younger, my auntie and my grandma and them used to take us to the beach and the park like all the time, and we used to fly kites, and I loved it. And it may seem boring to some people, but honestly, it's like a relaxation type of ordeal with flying kites and seeing that you're able to fly the kites. It's really cool if you ask me, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to surprise them and we're going to go fly kites today. So y'all just come with us. Let's go fly a kite. Let's see if I can literally fly this kite. I don't know if I'm that good, okay? I don't even know if I can put it together that well, but there's nothing wrong with learning and trying. So yeah, let's go fly some kites.
2, 3, 4. Wait, you guys missed it at the end. Nike kicks. Hey, bro, look at my new shoes. They're brand new. 1, 2. Buckle my shoes. 3, 4. Buckle some more. 5, 6. Nike. Mommy, you put that was so fire. Go down.
Yeah.
I didn't mean to hit it down. 1, 2. Buckle my shoes. Oh, bump. Buckle my shoes. 3, 4. Buckle some more. 5, 6. Nike kicks. Bump. 1, 2. Buckle my shoes. Buckle my shoes. 3, 4. Buckle some more. 5, 6. Nike. Mommy, no one didn't like my clothes today.
So what you mean no one didn't?
Except my teacher.
You were so cute today, Joel.
No, Annabella was filming her shirt and her like her shirt. Yeah, only Annabella and Miss Roush liked it, except nobody else.
What is-
Cora wasn't here. Only kept staring at me because of my hair.
What's wrong with your hair?
Because it looks like this.
Well, you need to get it washed tonight and let me do it.
She said we had to wear our ponytails.
Who said that?
Mary what?
Who said that, Kim? All right, let's go in 5 and below.
Yeah!
That's for the yard, Papa.
Can we get what we want? We already know.
I said we was coming for a kite.
Yeah, but we're getting something.
Thank you, Joel.
Mom, you said
Get your kite, Joel.
Dad, can I get something else? Can we get something
Yeah, we're going to fly a kite.
today?
Yes, so get a kite.
Okay. You don't know what I want. It's only Mickey Mouse.
Papa, I can help you. Lilo. Have fun. And
Look! Mommy, can I get it? Can I get 2 of them?
go ahead. Come on, let's go. Yes.
You can take it off if you want. No, I like your favorite. Miraculous.
Jewel, they got miraculous.
Papa, look.
Pick up the other one. Pick it up. Pick it up off the floor. Don't leave it there. And leave it. Okay.
The celery. We gotta try this. We got to. Which one I gotta pick?
Jewel, you're not getting. You need to put one back. Kimmy, which kite do you have?
Because that's
Okay. Come on. I'm gonna get Lilo and Stitch. I'm gonna get a Lilo and Stitch kite.
I'm looking for one. We never tried these. Yes, we did. Mama, we never tried these.
Let me see which nerds are them.
Look, look on the bottom. Look,
Nerds, Chewies. Okay, get one of them.
Okay. It's only for $3. What the heck? Can I get that? Yours?
No, this for y'all to
Mom,
try.
can I get the iPhone?
You don't even have an iPhone, Papa.
Oh, that case?
Yeah.
Mommy, the sour sodas! Mommy, the sour sodas that we never tried before! I'm looking. The popsicles! Mommy, we got to try this. We got to on the challenge. We got to on the challenge. Mom, we got to try this like Demi and Bianca. What? I already got it.
What is that?
Look, read
Papa?
it.
Wait, y'all dropped one.
Let me pick it up for you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Grandpa.
You're welcome.
Yeah, she said, thank you,
a nice day.
Grandpa. Come on.
Look, there's orange Fanta in it. Look, you guys, I got a sticky thing, but Papa don't want Pikachu. He definitely don't want that one. You see that Pikachu?
Okay, let's
Even
roll.
that sword,
Let's roll, guys.
nothing.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the
Guys,
And no, I need free. Papa needs, what is this?
everybody put on their shoes.
But we gotta wipe my feet off. Look.
Okay. Did y'all enjoy yourself?
Yeah. I can't wait until we get home to eat these. Look, you guys. I can't wait till we get home to eat these. Mommy, can we wash our feet off first?
Sure.
Okay. Hi, you guys. We're going to be trying the capital symbol. Let's open it. I can't open it. Let me open it. Okay, let me try this. Got it. Wait. First, everyone get chocolate.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna try.
So y'all gonna do it one at a time? Try one at a time or all together?
One at a time.
Okay.
Joy, time. Eat it.
Okay, Jewel's trying to open hers. Papa opening his. Kimmy, you got yours open?
I got another one because this one. Just eat it.
What happened to it?
Don't throw it in the trash. It melted a little.
Yum. It looks delicious.
It don't look all that.
I'm starting at the bottom part.
Papa, what it taste like?
You know vanilla wafers?
It tastes like
Yes.
You want a vanilla, Mom? You want a vanilla? Mine is empty.
Okay, and I'm gonna try one.
Why you first dip that?
Kimmy, you got yours? You tried it?
It's good.
It's good?
I don't like this chocolate. How yours taste like?
I ain't opening it. Y'all got me mochi Okay, so let me try mine.
This one was nasty.
Oh, I can't even open it.
Oh shoot! Where am I controller?
I can't read in Chinese, in Japanese. But this one looked like it's vanilla.
It's good.
It's okay.
What yours taste like?
It got chocolate. It's like a vanilla wafer with chocolate in it.
I like it.
You like it?
I like mine. I like mine. It's so okay.
So I give it a 6 out of 10.
I give it a
What you give it?
10 out of 9. I knew it was gonna say that, but
9 out of 10.
I give it a 100 out of 100.
Oh, you really
Oh,
like
you
it?
really like this. Because the rate was 10, ma'am. Hey, don't drop all that on the floor.
Here, mommy, get the card.
I give it a 8 out of 10.
I will give it a 9 out of 10. You got to leave the camera, right? Mama will allow this for me. Where's all of them? Where's all
This
of
one
them?
all beat up.
Oh, because I had no problem.
Here, you want this half? I still got half left. You want half of this one? Give me two. Give me. Oh, yes. Sorry. That's all I got.
There's no card.
Who's mad at you?
All things slow down, baby. trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost.